Well, hello there, YouTube. Well, I cleaned the media mod. I'm hoping it's working. I got the media mod back on and not that little GoPro brick. So I'm hoping that's working now. Yeah, it better be. I'm going for a ride again. Today is the 11th. Go down my circle. I got a circle drive here. You can see the house. Also got a lot of trees. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. Ooh, jeez, this thing's too low. I should have went out at an angle. Go up my neighborhood this way. Here's a little pond. I put a turtle in there and I haven't seen it in months. And my grandkids want to keep seeing turtle. They want to go see it, but they hasn't seen it in months. I don't think it's there anymore. Let's see. These people built a brand new shop. Big one. Right there. Well, that's nice. Got one house for sale out here. There's another new shop. This is my street. Oop, going right into the sun. Bye. Well, I don't know if I said, I'm back to the media mod. I tested it. I cleaned it really good with alcohol around it, the entire thing. And I tested it in the garage with the external mic and it worked. It even worked now with the mic up on top. So I don't know why it quit working, but I'm hoping it's working now. If it's not working, you won't see this video. If it is working, you'll see it. I'm out on the Goldwing. Bottomed out coming out of my driveway because my air suspension's not working. It doesn't hold air. It pumps, but it doesn't hold air. It's got a leak. I need to take it to Troop and see if they can fix it. I just been putting it off. It's pretty warm out. Well, that's not right. 79, there's no way. It was in the shop. Oh, that's why. It was in the air-conditioned shop. I had the air conditioning running in there. So it hasn't acclimated yet. So hopefully it's working. If not, I'll back to the little GoPro brick. Bye.